Hi guys, welcome to All Things Venus. My name is Aishwarya. This is a reactions on the movie Kaho Na Pyar Hai by Only Desi. I had a huge crush on Hrithik Roshan after I saw this movie, and this movie came out during my teenage days. And Only Desi is somebody I love, and I do know that he really makes fun of the movies that he picks up. So let's see what he does with this. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you already have subscribed, then thank you so much. I love all my subscribers. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching all my videos so far. And let's get into it. That's quite a raunchy song.
Which is the first main lead movie of both Hrithik and Amisha, from where Hrithik got a massive popularity for his dashing looks, amazing dance, and an exceptional talent of hiding his second thumb throughout the movie. Okay Hrithik, literally nobody holds a photograph like that. But it's not just about Hrithik. The beautiful Amisha Patel is also here to be completely ignored by everyone. लड़कों को तो हमेशा बस वो लेजी लम्हे में सेक्सी डांस करने के लिए याद है. Oh yeah. Oh wait, cut. कहो ना प्यार है. We all still remember that epic intro music that Rajesh Roshan literally copied from the voices by Vangelis. Trust me, तुम पैदा भी नहीं हुए होगे तब से ये आदमी ट्यून्स कॉपी कर रहे हैं. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जा 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles, 500.
It just came out. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए.
It's a story of two brothers with a strange age gap as big as Captain Vyom and his wife. This couple really gives me hope, man. शायद मेरी वाली भी अभी तक पैदा ही नहीं हुई होगी बैंचोद. लेकिन ये दो भाई एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Aww, this is something my brother would also do to me with his hands. After scratching his balls. Meet Sonia, the only daughter of a rich businessman and the Malkin of Big Boss 13. Lol. कहाँ गई वैसे ये 2 एपिसोड के बाद? She is a modern 21st century girl जो कॉलेज जाती है मिनी स्कर्ट में, रेस्टोरेंट्स जाती है क्रॉप टॉप में. She wears sexy bikini on cruise ship and then she goes to a dance club in New Zealand in सलवार सूट. वो भी हाथ में 20-30 चूड़ियों के साथ. Because she is sad. और कल्चर के हिसाब से लड़कियां तभी दुखी लगती है जब पूरे ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े पहने हो. Sonia is so stupid that she thinks her dad gifted her a male prostitute for her birthday.
उपहार कैसा लगा सोनिया?
अति सुंदर.
तुम उसे जलाकर क्यों नहीं देखती?
उस टाइम हम लोग हंस रहे थे because it was not possible. But if you really think about it,
I'm shocked.
Seriously, she doesn't even know what to do with birthday candles. देखिए किस तरह रोहित coincidentally sees her at the traffic light. Then coincidentally he's also the guy who delivers her car. And then coincidentally Raj is also around the place where she's celebrating her birthday. And then coincidentally they both happen to stranded in an island together. Then coincidentally they meet again at the same traffic light. And then coincidentally Sonia meets someone who look exactly like Okay, how is that even possible? मुझे भी लड़कियां पसंद आ जाती है रोड पे. मेरे को तो दोबारा घंटा दिखी नहीं. It all starts in a cruise ship. जहाँ रोहित वो करेगा जो हम सबको एक शिप में करना चाहिए.
मेरे छोटे मोटे भैया अमित.
अबे ये पोस्ट करने की तरफ आप जाएगा. लेकिन फिर रोहित और सोनिया एक आइलैंड में फंस जाते हैं और अब ये सोचने के बजाय कि खाएंगे क्या, पिएंगे क्या और हगेंगे कहाँ, they are like कहो ना प्यार है. Can you imagine you're worried about someone and when you finally get there to rescue them, all you see is कहो ना प्यार है. और दिन भर पानी के अंदर डांस करने के बाद they finally decide to dry their clothes at night. और दिन भर रोहित के सामने मुजरा करने के बाद रात को somehow सोनिया becomes very संस्कारी. Because according to Bollywood, सभी लड़के रात को horny हो जाते हैं. And as a man, I strongly disagree. We are not horny at night. We are always horny. अरे भाई सेक्स है, कायम चूरन थोड़ी जो रात को सोने से पहले बस एक बार लेंगे. But soon their life will take a turn when Rohit gets killed. And now one person who is highly affected by this accident is probably the guy who gave Rohit his bike.
यार तो अपनी बाइक लाए? हाँ है मेरे पास.
The bike.
इसीलिए किसी को अपनी बाइक देना ही नहीं चाहिए. Now Sonia is like Rohit की मुंह बोली विधवा, and now she has to deal with depression, anxiety, loneliness, and her fucking cousin Neeta.
Sonia, 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 Sonia.
It's Sonia, not Sonia.
Sonia, Sonia, Sonia. What's up, Sonia? Sonia.
Oh wait, ये तो वही पापा वाली है ना?
पापा.
Sonia's life will change again when Neeta takes her to a disco.
ये न्यूजीलैंड का सबसे बेस्ट डिस्को है.
And that turns out to be New Zealand's best fancy dress competition, जहाँ सोनिया और रोहित की हमशक्ल राज से मिलती है.
But I haven't seen you around. You're Not from here, are you?
Well, I haven't seen you around. You're not from here, are you? Lol, इतना fake accent तो अपना भी नहीं है. राज की आंखें same, height same, voice same, whole body structure same, skin color, whoa. अरे कोई नहीं, इंडिया में it's okay to be dark, as long as you're rich. देखिए किस तरह राज सोनिया के साथ इंडिया जाता है. On a, what is this? मंदिर एयरलाइंस or something? अबे cockpit, air vent, reading lights वगैरह कहाँ हैं? कुछ भी. But people are trying to kill Raj at the airport. जिसके बाद ऐसी हड़बड़ी मचती है कि everyone decides to run back and forth for some reason. They are literally running back to where they came from. और फिर वो रोहित के घर जाते हैं. Wait. पीछे ले. Okay, राज पहले शॉट में हाफ टी शर्ट में, लेकिन दूसरे शॉट में टैंक टॉप में, और दूसरे शॉट में सोनिया स्लीवलेस टॉप में है, और पहले शॉट में बेंचोत पूरी की पूरी सोनिया ही अलग है. यार कुछ भी चोदू बना देते हैं ऑडियंस को. But Sonia doesn't want Raj to take any risk to find the killers.
क्या तुम नहीं चाहती कि रोहित के कातलों का पता चले?
मैं चाहती हूँ, लेकिन तुम्हारी जान को खतरे में डालकर नहीं.
और किलर्स के मिलते ही शी इज लाइक,
मारो राज, किल देम राज, किल देम.
अबे जान से मार देगा तो जेल नहीं चले जाएगा.
लेकिन तुम्हारी जान को खतरे में डालकर नहीं.
And then Raj finds out that Sonia's father is behind everything. Now Sonia is heartbroken. Her boyfriend is dead. Her uncle is dead. Her dad is responsible for her boyfriend's death. और ऐसे में राज वही करेगा जो एक अच्छे दोस्त को करना चाहिए. अबे उसका बाप जेल में, माँ बहन घर में कोई है नहीं, एटलीस्ट घर तो छोड़ देता. लेकिन नहीं,
बस जा रहा हूँ.
लेकिन यहाँ चोदू सोनिया बहुत शानी निकलती है. उसे पता है कि उसके बाप के साथ उसके पैसे भी गए, और सिचुएशन को देखते हुए वो कहती है,
और मुझे अपने साथ नहीं ले जाओगे.
और इसी तरह सोनिया भी कोरोना वायरस की तरह एक आदमी से दूसरे आदमी में लटक लेती है. कोरोना प्यार है. Hello Daisy. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe for new videos every 6 months, and follow me on Instagram at only_Daisy. Be safe, stay home, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Subscribe for new videos every 6 months. Oh, come on. We need more of these. That title, Corona Pyar Hai, was just... Only Desi can do these things. And he's so observant. That was Kareena Kapoor, guys. Did you guys notice? Like, that was actually Kareena Kapoor. Wow. Subscribe down below for videos, not once in every 6 months, but for 2 to 3 videos a week I post. I post videos every Friday, and I try to post videos every Monday and Wednesday. Let me know what else you would like me to review on, and what did you think? Like, my favorite part of this whole video was Corona Pyar Hai. What was your favorite part of the video? Let me know in comments below. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And you do you. Bye-bye.